Hello everyone, my name is Christian Mesa and I am the leader for the team number 4. Um, I want to present our integrative project. And well, the first thing that you need to know is our project is an aumatic incubator. And well, maybe you are thinking, uh, what is an incubator or what do an incubator? I don't know. Well, the automatic incubator, it works for maintaining a favorable condition for developing and hatching a fertile eggs. And well, for doing this, you have four factors are the major importance in incubating: the temperature, humidity, ventilation, and the turning. Well, for doing this, we have here our problematic. First, inefficiency of temperature and humidity control in the right center, and rotten eggs. And on the last, low efficiency in the incubation of the eggs. This happens because sometimes the temperature of the humidity don't have a good control, and then the rotten eggs is another problem. This is your factors that you need to control really, really well for obtain a really good job. Well, our general objective is measurement of efficiency in the incubating of a eggs totally automated and have a better result. There is when I say that it's better for us have a all automatic because sometimes the control when you want to control the temperature or the humidity or the ventilation, you need to do this automatic because you can forget this, or it's a really hard work that you need to stay there and oh, I need to turn off the lab for the temperature or the humidify for the humidity. I don't know. And when you forget to rotten the eggs, it's a really, really bad thing because with this, your eggs don't be fine, you know? Our specific objectives is control of temperature and humidity with a digital sensor and incubation of eggs totally automated with the incubator, high user range with a programming that do all the important things for the incubation of the eggs, and boil a prototype with a good quality that for difference us from the market. And well, here we have the estimate total and the materials that we need to do in the incubator. Here we have the wheel. We will use this for doing all the structure. We have our sensor. We will use the BMAI 280. It is a sensor for temperature and humidity. Like I did say, one important thing is the rotation of the eggs, and we will use a servo motor for this. We will use gears for control of the movement, and well, because we wanna do all automatic, we need a controller. We will use a Arduino Mega as a controller, and well, we will use a PCB for do all the connection between the controller and the sensor and the actuators. We will use some actuator for control the variables. We need to control the temperature, or we will use a headlamp. We will use a ultrasonic humidifier for control the humidity, and we will use a module DS 32, 31. It is a real-time clock. We will use this for measure and control the time because you need to move a routine the eggs 3 times per day. And well, another thing that we need to control is the ventilation, and we will use a fan. And well, we have here our Gantt diagram. And in our first week, we have doing the investigation about the materials, also quantifying the materials. There is a really important thing because it's the first for start all. You need to be really sure about how your project can work and what you can do for do your best work. Another thing that we have in this week is doing the desync. We will do in the same time because it's the well it work together. And then when we are sure about what we want to do, we will buy materials, measure the dimension, and building the structure. We can start in the same time because all work together. And well, the building structure can be take a little more time, and then we will need to do in the programmation, and we'll do for 2 weekends. And in the same time, we will start to making the instructive. Here we wanna put all the important things about the incubator, how this work, uh, all the specification about this, and how you can care this product. And our last part, we have the preparation of the expo and the making data. Here is when we need to, if we need to fix something, or if we have a mistake, we need to fix in this weekend, and we need to be really sure about all of the incubator, all the sensor, all the actuators is really working well. Um, well, it is all for my part. It is all for my team, and thank you so much for the attention.